Hey guys, we're Kat and Nat. We're here in the WW studio cooking up some of our favorite recipes, but today we're cooking up a cocktail.
I love this. This is raspberry lemonade vodka slushy, otherwise known as
the adult slushie.
Exactly.
This one is super delicious. So earlier today we made lemonade ice cubes. So we're gonna take lemonade ice cubes, we're gonna put them in the blender. Okay. Now I'm gonna need some vodka.
Oh, that is the pre-measured vodka because we're responsible adults.
Yes, we are. And then could you please get me a diet soda? Something like a diet Sprite would work in this. About a cup of that.
I have some
lemonade
in there. More lemonade.
Beautiful.
Just don't even want to get there.
And last,
I believe that's fresh lemon right there.
You got it, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Pop.
This is the easiest recipe I've ever made.
Now we're gonna blend. Okay, you ready?
Go. Okay. We're gonna throw a little bit of a garnish on there because, you know, that's an adult thing to do. I'm gonna do 2 raspberries.
Fresh
you know?
mint is so good with the raspberries and the frozen lemonade.
Okay.
A little bit of bubble from the soda.
I can't wait,
Here we go.
Enough said, delicious.
We could have a lot of these.
Me too.
Super refreshing, tasty, not too sweet. The mint, I love that. A little bit fresh.
It's actually really good. Way to go, Nitty. Go to www.com to get more recipes, and this one, you'll see all the amazing things you can make and create.